Hello. That seems to be angled up a bit there. I think I'm filming the roof. I think that's right.